How do I log in to Brightspace? Using a supported web browser, browse to the URL or web address provided by Aguinaldo International School. Enter your username and password. Click Login. Tip: if you forget your password, click Forgot Your Password. Brightspace will send you a password reset link to the email address associated with the username you specify. Otherwise, contact your class advisor and request for password reset, which will be provided immediately.